All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of Mr. Daniels.
Okay. You all may be seated. Mr. Daniels.
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
All right, folks, let's dive into this courtroom drama. The judge calls the session to order, and Mr. Daniels steps forward to present his case. He's here to voluntarily place himself on child support, which is already an unusual move. The tension is palpable as the judge acknowledges his presence and prepares to hear his story. What's interesting here is that the mother of the child didn't even show up to court, which raises questions about her involvement. This case is about more than just money. It's about a father stepping up to ensure his child is taken care of. The absence of the mother adds another layer of complexity, making this a case worth watching. Let's see how this unfolds and what the judge decides.
Yeah, I brought my case because I'm trying to file child support on myself to make sure that my child is getting the benefits that it needs, because the mother doesn't seem to be taking care of the responsibilities.
I mean, obviously not. She didn't even have the audacity to show up for court today. And I see that you did send her notice of that.
I did.
Okay. It's very different when people come in, and well, guys in particular come in to put themselves on child support. Like, what's the backstory between you and mom? Have y'all ever been married?
I tried to get married. I tried to do everything right.
Okay.
She chose to be out in the streets, so I'm just trying to.
What do you mean by chose to be out in the streets?
Chose to be being somewhere other than the house.
Okay.
So yeah.
She party a lot, do all those things?
Well, I don't know where she's at, so I don't know what she does.
Do you communicate with her at all?
When it comes to money.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why.
You have a son or a daughter?
I have a son. Do
you get to see your son?
On the weekends, but it's rare. We have a lot of conflict going on. Again, she's not here, so this is why I'm bringing this to court.
Okay.
Mr. Daniels explains why he's in court. He wants to ensure his child is supported financially because he feels the mother isn't fulfilling her responsibilities. He mentioned she didn't even show up to court, which speaks volumes about her commitment. The judge digs deeper, asking about their relationship history. Mr. Daniels reveals they were never married, and he tried to do everything right, but the mother chose a different path. He's clearly frustrated but determined to do what's best for his son. The judge listens carefully, but you can sense the underlying tension. This is a father fighting for his child's future, and his determination is evident. The fact that he's taking the initiative to file for child support himself shows his commitment, even in the face of conflict.
Okay, so you do understand how child support works, right? It's based on a calculation based on the amount of money that you make.
I'm third string, so I don't make that much.
What does that mean, your third string?
I'm not making a lot of money right now in the arena football league that I play in. So I'm trying to come to court because I want my child taken care of, but I can't take a major hit because I have to take care of myself as well.
Okay. So it's based on the calculation. So whatever amount of money that you make, that's what your child support is going to be set at. No matter if you were third string, first string, second string, I don't know how many strings it go up to. It's based on your calculation. Okay. So how much money do you make a year?
Around 67.
Okay. And you only have one child?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So 67,000. Well, let me ask you this. Who pays health insurance?
I pay it.
Okay. How much is your health insurance?
Around 120.
120. Okay. And let me see. You turned in some documents here. Looks like your health insurance is actually 130. Okay. 130. You're shorting yourself $10 because the health insurance amount, I mean, she's not here obviously to dispute it or whatnot, but you get a credit for carrying the child on your health insurance. Okay.
The judge shifts focus to the financial details, asking Mr. Daniels about his income and health insurance for the child. Mr. Daniels admits he's not making a lot of money right now, as he's a third-string player in the Arena Football League. The judge explains how child support is calculated based on income, regardless of his job status. She also points out that Mr. Daniels gets credit for providing health insurance, which slightly reduces his child support obligation. The financial breakdown is clear and precise, showing how the system works. It's a teachable moment for anyone watching, as the judge emphasizes that child support is about the child's needs, not personal circumstances. The judge's no-nonsense approach ensures that the calculations are fair and transparent, leaving no room for ambiguity.
So, based on that, giving you credit for the health insurance, your gross comes out to $5,470. Your net of that after taxes come out is $4,357.28 for a child support amount of $871.46. Okay?
Okay.
You have any other questions about that?
Are you single?
Well, no.
Okay.
But I don't think that has anything to do with why you're here.
Oh, well, I don't have a good baby mother.
So you want to make me a baby mama? That's what you're telling me?
No, I wasn't trying to make you a baby mother. I was just seeing if you were available to help.
Well, I'm available for my next case. So if there's nothing further, you are dismissed.
All right, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
The judge delivers her ruling. Mr. Daniels' child support obligation is set at $871.46 per month, based on his income and health insurance contributions. She makes it clear that this amount is non-negotiable and tied directly to his earnings. Mr. Daniels seems to accept the decision, though he's clearly concerned about balancing his own needs with his child's. The judge wraps up the case with a touch of humor, joking about finding him a good baby mother, but the underlying message is serious. This ruling ensures the child's financial needs are met, and Mr. Daniels leaves knowing he's done the right thing. The judge's final remarks highlight the importance of responsibility, both financially and emotionally, in co-parenting.
The episode of the Daniels case. So the interesting thing about his case, he placed himself on child support. He actually petitioned to the court to put him on child support. That's very unique because you don't see that very often, but you are able to do that on your own. If you want to put yourself on child support, you are more than welcome to do so. Actually, I would recommend that you do it because then you don't have to worry about getting hit with back pay later on because you never paid child support for your child from the beginning. So, teachable moment for you guys. If you can do it, put yourself on child support.
Now let's break it down from a legal perspective. This case is unique because Mr. Daniels voluntarily placed himself on child support, which is rare but highly commendable. The lawyer explains that doing so can prevent issues like back pay and ensures the child's needs are met from the start. It's a powerful reminder that child support isn't just about legal obligations. It's about taking responsibility for your child's well-being. The video ends with a call to action, encouraging viewers to share their stories and subscribe for more insights. This case is a perfect example of how the court prioritizes the child's best interests, even when one parent isn't present. The educational segment drives home the importance of proactive parenting and understanding the legal system to protect your child's future.